Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall. We are here on the show floor at the HAWE booth with Tim Multerer. Tim, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing fantastic. So a lot of cool technology we're seeing here. What are you guys featuring in your booth this year? And what are the solutions that you're bringing to the industry?
This year we're focusing on total solutions for the industry. So we have a lot of new products that allow us to really be more flexible to our customer base. Behind us here we've got a new product called our CWS line. Allows us to have an entry point into the mid-market, be a little bit more focused on some of the customers who don't need quite all the technology features that exist in the market, but meet certain cost points and pressures that they might be seeing or needing in the market.
So you're really helping companies bring their products up to that first step into a new step into technology.
That's right. It's a great entry point for us to capture their attention. Big cost pressures, pressures in the market are focused around cost.
Yeah.
And we want to be able to be a player with that perspective in mind.
Awesome. What else are you guys featuring here today?
On the complete opposite end of that, we've got a new valve here called the MIC valve. And the MIC valve is what we consider part of our high-line product portfolio, which is really focused on feature-rich condensing of products, trying to maximize and minimize space. So we also are showcasing that product as well in our booth.
Awesome. And if there are three main, I guess you could say, problems you are helping solve today for your customers, what would those three problems be?
We're helping them solve solutions by having products available.
Yep.
We're known in the industry for having products ready and available to the market, whether it be in North America or anywhere globally. We've got that really in check. Beyond that, we're able to again meet different cost perspectives that the market is asking us for, whether it's technology advanced product where they need again very feature rich type product solutions that maybe aren't so conscious of cost, but again we have, like I said behind us here, solutions that allow us to meet those lower end cost points as well.
Awesome.
Beyond that, we're here, we're present, we're available in the market, and we're ready to do business.
Awesome. Tim, thanks for your time.
Thank you.